All right, happy Friday. Got a change of clothes on. Had to go work out. Okay, so we're starting with rhyme production. Today our rhyme is inch. So we need to get a new letter on the front so that it rhymes with inch at the ending. Okay, inch rhymes with inch. I'm going to give you some time to think of some more. Even one more. It can be a nonsense word too. If you want to go inch, bench, that's okay. But actually, I was thinking of inch, pinch, and flinch, like when you, two for flinching. Cinch is when you tie up a sack. Okay. The next rhyme is ath. In case you need a hint, I was thinking of something that you're very good at in school. Math. Also, bath, path, wrath, all of those rhyme with ath. Okay, let's do our onset fluency. Which word begins like shouted? Ship or sand? Ship. Which word begins like checkers? Ready or chart? Chart. Which word begins like thimble? Miss or thorn? Thorn. Which word begins like what? While or looking? While. Which word begins like they? Better or the? The. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. Heft. Heft. Gift. Gift. Hopefully you're getting those for Christmas. Rent. Rent. Damp. Damp. Pump. Land. Land. Bump. Bunt. Good. Okay, where do you hear the digraph sound? We're looking for the sound th. Is it the beginning, middle, or end? Th. Mother. Middle. Now we're looking for th with the air, not voiced. Thermometer. Beginning. Now we're looking for sh. Eyelash. End. We're looking for ch. Punch. End. We're looking for sh. Shoulder. Beginning. We're looking for ch. Workbench. Ending. Last one. We're looking for th. Thunderstorm. Beginning. Good job. Okay, we're going to segment, get those choppers out. Ramp. Pond. Pond. Hump. Melt. Silk. Fond. Belt. Loft. Okay, good job. We're going to add that initial phoneme. When I go like this, you blend it together into a word. and then I'll tell you the word and make sure you got it right, okay? We're starting with aim. Add bl to the beginning to make blame. We're starting with I've. Add str to the beginning to make strive. We're starting with eek. Add ch to the beginning to make cheek. We're starting with elf. Add sh to the beginning to make shelf. We're starting with ache. Add f to the beginning to make flake. We're starting with eat. Add sh to the beginning to make sheet. We're starting with add th to the beginning to make thumb. Very good. Now we're deleting a phoneme. We're deleting that initial phoneme. Okay, we have the word chair without ch. What's left? Air. We have the word brace without br. What's left? Ace. We have the word shade without sh. What's left? Aid. We have the word pride without per. What's left? I'd. We have the word chart without ch. What's left? Art. We have the word shore without sh. What's left? Or. We have the word stage without st. What's left? Age. We have the word plate without pull. What's left? 8. Good job. Almost done for the week. Okay, we're substituting phonemes. We're starting with the word kept. Change k to wa. And what's the word? Wept. We have the word judge. Change j to n. And what's the word? Nudge. We have the word mind. Change m to f. And what's the word? Find. We have the word task. Change t to m. And what's the word? Mask. We have the word disc. Change d to and what's the word? Risk. We have the word bump. Change b to j. And what's the word? Jump. We have the word silk. Change s to and what's the word? Milk. We have the word soft. Change s to and what's the word? Loft. All right, great job. I will see you on Monday.